right here we have our Unity scene. I have prototyped the solar system in Unity, shown the steps before. So it's basically a prototype that it's a digital prototype. It has already some animations in there. So the moon is going around the Earth, and the Earth is going around the sun, and the sun is actually also rotating. And so in order to get this to work in VR, I would go to the build settings. I could switch to Android, and then if I would connect my Quest and like set up everything. But what I'm going to do instead is I'll just stay here, not switch platform, and I'm just going to go to the project settings, to the XR plugin management, install that into this project. So it's just a 3D project up to this point, but I'm going to install it into this project. So it's loading a few of the plugins. So XR support is now native, more or less, built into Unity, and I'll just go Oculus here because I have an Oculus Rift S connected. I could also do the Oculus or the Meta Quest 2 connected to the computer and enable, I think it's called Oculus Link, maybe it's called Meta Link now. I don't know. So this is all I need to do, and now when I press play now, I get to experience it on my headset. And what I actually haven't done is change the camera. So right now nothing is actually, the tracking doesn't actually work. So we have to change the camera to an XR rig. That's just happened. I just put it up there again. So the XR rig actually contains the camera, and I'm just going to play it one more time, and then I should have tracking on the headset, as you can see here, and I can look at this scene in Unity. Here's the Earth in front of me and the moon. Interestingly, they cast a shadow on this massive Earth, and I have a little bit of a space background through a 360 photo. And now, I mean, okay, it's not exactly right the way the light works here in this scene. Something I still have to work on, but it's a rapid prototype, so the Earth shouldn't cast kind of like, I mean, maybe it's right. It depends how you think about it. But it looks almost like Earth is casting a shadow on the moon somehow. It's weird. In any case, that's something to work on. But it's a cool prototype, and all I had to do is actually take my 3D scene, convert it to a kind of like an XR scene by installing the plugin management as I just showed, and then enabling Oculus. Again, I could also deploy, but that would take a little bit longer, and I have a separate video for that, but I just wanted to show you this step.